Fireflies, those enchanting insects that illuminate summer nights with their magical glow, hold secrets that extend beyond their ethereal beauty. These bioluminescent wonders are masters of chemistry and communication. Fireflies produce light through a process called bioluminescence, where oxygen combines with a light-emitting molecule called luciferin, facilitated by an enzyme called luciferase. This natural lantern is a courtship tool, as males flash unique patterns to attract mates. Each species has its Morse code-like language. Remarkably, fireflies are light-producing but not heat-emitting, conserving energy. Their glow serves as a warning to predators, as some species possess toxic chemicals. These captivating creatures remind us of nature's remarkable blend of science and artistry, painting our summer evenings with wonder.